Hello everyone. Let us see the gems and jewelry sector in India. The gems and jewelry sector plays a significant role in Indian economy. It contributes to 6 to 7% of the GDP. It is the fastest growing sector. It is export oriented. It is labor intensive. It's got a lot of value addition. It is a focus area for export promotion. Government of India is trying to upgrade technology and skills under brand India in the international market. India is a hub of global jewelry market because of low cost and availability of high skilled labor. India is the world's largest cutting and polishing center for diamonds, and government policies are supporting it. India exports 95% of the world's diamonds as per the Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, and the government allows 100% FDI in this sector, automatic route. Gems and jewelry market in India has got about 5 lakh players, with the majority being small people players. It's one of the largest exporters. The markets are UAE, US, Russia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Latin America and China. And US imports have increased by 7.8% last year. Overall exports stood at 175,879 crores, that is 26 billion US dollars. Cut and polished diamonds stood at about 17 billion US dollars. Exports of gold coins and medallions stood at 4 billion US dollars. Silver jewelry exports stood at about 3 billion US dollars ending December 2016. And the growth around expected is about 10% for US and Europe. Now, what are the investments in this sector and which are the companies we should purchase? Some of the key investments are: 1. International Institute of Diamond Grading and Research has invested 5 million US dollars for expanding its synthetic diamond testing facility in Surat. Kalyan Jewellers plans to invest 500 crore to add 15 new showrooms in 2017 to add to their ongoing expansion in north and east of India and in West Asia. They also have plans to invest 900 crore over the next 3 years to expand its presence in international markets in Sri Lanka, Singapore and Malaysia. So if Kalyan Jewellers stock scrip is available, better to buy that. London's ultra luxury jeweler Super Rich Faberge, owned by the world's top emeralds and rubies miner Gemfields PLC, has decided to enter India, Delhi, Mumbai. India's economic hotspots will be Faberge's beachhead in the country, whereas the jeweler will sell its products by select trunk shows for the uber rich. Rajesh Exports Limited, a jewelry exporter and retailer, has won an export order contract worth 1,045 crore, that is 154 US million dollars, of designer range of gold and diamond studded jewelry and medallions from Singapore. So immediately by Rajesh Exports Limited. KSS Limited, a digital and entertainment major, has forayed into jewelry retailing business under the franchise model and is looking to open 500 stores under brand B Jewels, which is owned by the Birla Jewels Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of KSS Limited. Melora, a Bengaluru-based online jewelry startup, has raised 5 million US dollars funding from venture capital firm Lightbox Ventures to build a technology platform and talent acquisition. Major mining companies like Rio Tinto, De Beers, Alrosa have decided to participate in the Indian Diamond Trading Center, which has been set up to eliminate the middlemen in diamond trade and allow Indian manufacturers to deal directly with miners. It's in Gujarat. Indian Bullion and Jewellers Association has signed a pact with Bombay Stock Exchange for setting up first bullion exchange through a special purpose vehicle wherein IBJA and its constituents will hold 70% and Bombay Stock Exchange will hold 30%. Global luxury brands Montblanc, Mobla International has entered into joint venture with India's largest watchmaker, Titan, and plan to start retail operations in India by opening its first Mobla boutiques in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad and Pune. So jewelry major Joy Alucas plans to invest 1,500 crore in setting up 20 stores in India and 10 stores overseas. The new stores, which will come up almost in a year's time, will add to the Thrissur headquartered company's existing 95 outlets. And Joy Alucas is another place to invest. London headquartered Gemfields, a multinational firm specializing in color gemstones, mining and marketing, is planning to acquire color gemstone mines in Odisha and Jharkhand and participate in the exploration of Kashmir sapphire mines in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian arm of US private equity firm Warburg Pincus picked up a minority stake in Kerala-based Kalyan Jewellers for 1,200 crores. The jeweler plans to use the proceeds to fund its retail and manufacturing expansion plans. Creador, a PE firm focused on long-term investment in growth-oriented business in Indonesia, India, Malaysia, Singapore, has invested 135 crore for a minority stake in PC Jewellers Limited. So PC Jewellers is another company to look for. Now what is the government doing for gems and jewellery? Pretty little, but still let us see. Union Budget 17-18, Government of India offered tax cuts for the middle class and other sectors of society, 5% income. All these measures will drive consumption. Government of India proposes to cut corporate tax rate 25% from MSME. From annual 50 crore turnover will benefit a large number of gem and jewellery exporters from MSME. Government of India announcement on establishing gold spot exchange could help India participation in determining gold price. Demonetization move is encouraging people to use plastic money, debit cards and for buying jewellery. The Reserve Bank of India has announced norms for gold monetization scheme which almost allows the individuals in trusts and mutual funds to deposit gold with banks in return for interest to help reduce gold imports. The Reserve Bank of India has liberalized gold import norms. India has signed a memorandum of understanding with Russia to source data on diamond trade between the two countries. Due to shortage of skilled manpower, Gems and Jewellery Skill Council of India is planning to train over 4 million people till 2022. The Gemological Institute of India, Gemological Institute of America and Indian Gemological Institute will set up these institutes. A jewellery park is coming up in Thane Belapur Road, which is around 5 kilometers from Mumbai, with the view to boost Mumbai-based jewellery industry. Indian Institute of Gems and Jewellery Mumbai has come up with a 3-year graduate program in jewellery design and manufacturing techniques. September 2015, Government of India approved gold monetization plan or gold deposit scheme. So you have got good road ahead. Okay. Thank you for watching.